Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Arfa Karim. Arfa Karim Randhawa was born on 2nd February 1995 in Faisalabad, Pakistan. She was only 5 years old when she first saw a computer in her school. Her father granted her the wish and bought a computer for her. Arfa was a fast learner and she excelled at the institute. After a few months in the summer break in 2004, she passed the Microsoft certification exam and became the youngest ever Microsoft certified professional, that is MCP, just at the age of 9. Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, requested Arfa and her parents to visit the Microsoft headquarters. Arfa had big dreams and ambitions, but unfortunately, she died in 2012 due to heart attack at the young age of 17. The government of Pakistan built a science and technology park in her name. It is called the Arfa Karim Software Technology Park.